Hey friends, if you wish to fix error 0x800700aa on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to disable the antivirus software. Now, how can we disable the antivirus software? So, search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Now, go to Virus and Threat Protection on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Manage Settings and then turn off real-time protection. The next solution is to update Windows. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left-hand side. Click on Check for Updates in the right pane. The next solution is a System Restore. Search for Recovery in the Windows search bar and open Recovery. Click on Open System Restore. Click on Next and then on Finish and then finally click on Yes. Next solution is a disk cleanup. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Open it once again. Check all of these boxes here and then click on OK and then finally click on Delete Files. The last solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc/scan now and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.